Hi, boys and girls. I'm here with our last Laura Numeroff story. Throughout last week and this week, we've heard lots of different stories written by Laura Numeroff that have been about some different characters. Well, today I have a brand new character that we haven't read a story about yet. The story I have for you today is If You Give a Dog a Donut, written by Laura Numeroff and illustrated by Felicia Bond. In this story, I can't wait to check out what our new character is up to because Laura Numeroff always includes some silly things that her characters are doing. Let's check it out. If you give a dog a donut, he'll ask for some apple juice to go with it. When you give him the juice, he'll drink it all up. Then he'll ask for more. There won't be any left, so he'll want to make his own. He'll go outside to pick apples. When he's up in the tree, he'll toss you one. Throwing the apple will make him think of baseball. He'll want to play. You'll have to get a ball and a glove. Of course, he'll also need a bat. He'll ask you to pitch. He'll hit a home run. Then he'll do a happy dance to celebrate. Dancing will make him hot and dusty, so he'll need some water. He'll probably want to start a water fight. You'll have to dry him off with your bandana. He'll wrap it around his head and pretend that he's a pirate. Then he'll want to go on a treasure hunt. He'll find an old kite and want to make one himself. You'll have to get him some sticks, paper, and string. When the kite is finished, he'll want to fly it. It will go higher and higher. Until it gets tangled in the apple tree. The tree will remind him of apple juice, so he'll probably ask you for some. And chances are, if he asks for some apple juice, he'll want a donut to go with it. I hope that you have enjoyed our Laura Numeroff stories over the last 2 weeks. That's all for now. I'll see you next time.